بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 25, Unit 2, Part B. Choose the correct possessive nouns, keeping in view animate and inanimate nouns. Number 1. The girl's dress is blue. The right option is option B, girls. Number 2. I really like my mother's biryani. Mother is animate noun, so its possessive form is mother's. I really like my mother's biryani. Number 3. The tire of the bike got punctured. The right option is option D, tire of the bike. Number 4. I have got an appointment at the dentist's at 11 o'clock. The correct option is option B, dentist's. Number 5. The bird fell from the tree. The correct option is option D. Number 6. I like the beauty of an apple trees. The correct option is option A. Mrs. Badar's sister. Here the correct option is option A, will not be coming to the party. Mrs. Badar's sister will not be coming to the party. Number 8. Leg of the table is broken. The right option is option B, leg of the table is broken, not table's leg. Number 9. Cap of the bottle is missing. So here the right option is option C, cap of the bottle. Number 10. The roof of the house is wooden. The right option is option A, roof of the house, not house roof. Number 11. Color of the door is brown. The right option is option A, color of the door is brown. Number 12. The gardener's toolbox is lost. So here the correct option is option B, gardener's toolbox. Students, I hope you understand the possessive forms of animate and inanimate nouns. Students, your homework is you have to do this page in book, page 25. Do page number 25 in book. This is your homework. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.